In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage lists in Slack. Think of Slack lists as a simple way to organize tasks and projects right where your team is already communicating. We'll walk through getting to lists, creating a new one, adding tasks, and collaborating with your teammates smoothly. Start by opening Slack and clicking Home in the left sidebar. This takes you to the main workspace view where all your organization tools live. If your sidebar is condensed, hover near the edge to expand it so you can see Home clearly. Being on the Home view ensures you're starting from the right place. Next, look for Lists in the menu. This is where all your lists are organized. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your Slack app is up to date or check with your workspace admin to confirm the feature is enabled for your team. Now you're ready to create. Click Create New List or choose a template to start from a pre-made structure. Templates are great when you want a proven layout for things like onboarding, content planning, or bug triage. A blank list gives you full control if you prefer to design your own. Either way, you can adjust fields later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first pass. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so everyone understands its purpose at a glance. Then begin adding items. These are your tasks. Keep task titles short but specific, like Draft Q2 Summary, rather than something vague. If you have several related tasks, add them one by one so each item is actionable and easy to track. You can reorder tasks as your priorities change, and it helps to group similar items together for focus. Once your list has a few tasks, you can collaborate. Share the list with specific people or channels so the right audience can view and contribute. Sharing in a channel is great for transparency. Sharing with individuals is useful for focused work. Assign tasks to teammates so ownership is crystal clear, and add any necessary context directly in the task. For deeper conversations without cluttering the main channel, start dedicated threads for each task. Threads keep discussion tied to the work item, and participants will get notified as updates happen. As Slack's help resources highlight, this approach keeps communication organized and decisions easy to find later. That's it. You've navigated to lists, created a list, added tasks, and set up collaboration with sharing, assignments, and threaded discussion. Use this flow to keep your work visible, accountable, and moving forward.